Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to remove multiple Google Sheets files at once. First, from your browser homepage, type drive.google.com on your address bar, then press Enter. This will lead you to Google Drive. When the page loads, click My Drive on the left sidebar to view your files. Locate the files that you want to delete. For this example, let us delete 3 files simultaneously. Hold either the Ctrl or Shift button on your keyboard and click the files you want to delete one by one. Then, click the Move to Trash icon at the top. A confirmatory message will appear at the bottom left part of your screen. The files will be moved to trash. So, that is how you remove multiple Google Sheets files. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.